Welcome to e-learning program of Modern International School, Hiswa. So my dear students, welcome back once again. My name is Asif, your mathematics teacher, present before you to solve a couple of questions, only revision purpose. This is exercise 3D, class 7, chapter number 3, decimals. So we have brought, friends, a statement type of questions, words problem related to division of decimal by whole number, division of decimal by natural number. Okay, very simple question. We have to understand your statement first, then find the clue for solving the sum. Here question number 8 says the total cost of 24 chairs is 9,255.60 rupees. Okay, now find the cost of one chair. Suppose, friend, if the question says the total cost of 10 pence, suppose 10 pence is equal to is 20. Suppose the total cost of 10 pence is 20, then find the cost of 1 pen, and your reply, yes, this is 2 rupees. But why? We have to find the clue that how you can say yes, 2 rupee. Yes, the clue is that means we have to divide this 20 by 10. And what about the 20? 20 is, sorry, what about the 10? This 10 is here 20 instead of 24, and this amount instead of 20. Okay, this is the total amount, this is the total, this is the number of things, and this is the total amount of this thing. If you find the cost of one thing, then this total amount should be divided by the total number of the things. Here the total number of things is 24. So and the cost of total things is 9,255.60. That means we have to divide this decimal by this 24, and this will give us the cost of one chair. I hope you will understand. Now see, friends, write the first statement as it is. Here the cost of one, and we have to write the 24 chair. Since the cost of, write the cost of 24 chairs is equal to, is 9,255.60 rupees. इसलिए therefore the cost of one chair, remember friends, and this 24 will go to right hand side in denominator, means division position, rupees. Now divide this number by 24, we will get the answer. Now divide. Here the combined two digits, here the 92. How many times 24 will, now see friends, now divide 9,255.60 and we will get here 385.65 rupees. Divide very carefully, friends, because this is the division of decimal type of questions. Okay, now see friends, question number, similar type of questions. Question number 10, a car covers a distance of 22.8 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So have a look, friends, here is the liters term. That means we have to write the left hand side in liter and right hand side is distance. Okay, now since in 2.4 liter of petrol, distance covers 22. Here is the distance cover. Write down the distance. Distance covers 22.8 kilometer. Okay. So therefore, we have to find in 1 liter. We have to find in 1 liter of petrol. Distance covers 22.8 divided by 2.4 kilometer. Okay friends, now see friends, here 22.8 divided by 2.4. have a look friends, in kilometer. After decimal, here the one digit. After decimal, here the one digit. Means this decimal will get cancelled. And now this is 228 became, and this is 24. Now see friends, divide 228 by 24. How many times? This is 9 time, 8 time. Whatever the time, find. Now friends, this will get cancelled by 4. This is 4 6 ja 24, and 4 5 ja 20, and 4 7 ja, and 57 by 6. Now divide 57 by 6. 6 9 ja 54. This is 3. Okay, this could be written as, this is 6 as it is, 3 is up, and 9 is over here. This is kilometer. This is your answer. That means we can say in 1 liter of petrol, distance covers 9 3 by 6. Let me check, just a minute. Or either this could be written as in decimal form. This is 3. Place the decimal here, the 0. 6 5 ja 30. So answer is in decimal form. You can write the answer as decimal form. It doesn't matter decimal form or the mixed fraction. So the answer is 9.5 kilometer. Okay, I hope you will get. Now see friends, question number 14 says, very interesting question. Says Monica cuts 46 meter of cloth into pieces of 1.15 meter each. How many pieces does she get? Very simple question. मोनिका के पास 40 मीटर का कोई कपड़ा है. सपोज मान लेते दिस इज द क्लॉथ. सपोज दिस इज द क्लॉथ. ओके, रेक्टेंगुलर फेस, दिस इज द क्लॉथ. एंड इस क्लॉथ को मोनिका ने टुकड़े टुकड़े करती है, पीस पीस में डिवाइड करती है. ओके, मुझे वो फाइंड करना है मोनिका के पास कितने कपड़े के टुकड़े होंगे. पीस पीस करने के बाद मोनिका के पास नंबर ऑफ पीसेस फाइंड करना, नंबर ऑफ पीसेस ऑफ दिस क्लॉथ, इस क्लॉथ को. एंड ईच पीस कैरीज 1.15 मीटर. हर एक पीस की लेंथ कितनी है? द मेजरमेंट ऑफ ईच पीस 1.15. सपोज दिस इज द rectangular shape of the cloth and the length of this cloth is suppose 40. Length of this cloth is 46 meter and the breadth is constant. Okay, suppose the length of 46 meter total. Now we are going to make a piece. We are going to make the piece. We are going to make the piece of this cloth, but we have to find the how many pieces that she get. Now see, and each piece 1.15. suppose this is the 1 piece, this is the 2 piece, 3 piece, 4 piece, 5 piece, dot 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 and so on. Okay, now suppose मान लेते, suppose let number of pieces of cloth is equal to n. Suppose if we multiply n with 1.15, this will give the total length of this cloth. Okay, now see, according to the question, n multiply by each length. Look at the friends, very simple question. Look at once again, each length, the length of each piece is 1.15 and we have considered as the total number of pieces. The length of each piece is 1.15, okay, each length, and total number of pieces is n. If you multiply the total number of pieces n with each piece of the length, then this will give us the total length of the cloth, 46 meter. Suppose if this and divide this, and here the finish. Okay, that means we have to add 1.15 plus 1.15 plus 1.15, but still how many times? Still, then that means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Suppose there are 12 pieces. Suppose that means we have to add 1.15 12 times. So that means we have to multiply 1.15 multiply by 12 times. Okay, if suppose the number of total pieces is 12, but we consider as over here is the n is the number of pieces. So instead of this 12, we can multiply n with 1.15. This is equal to 46 meter. Okay, now n is equal to 46 divided by 1.15 division, friends. So if you remove this decimal, how many digits after decimal? 2. So we have to place here the 2 zeros. That means 46 is here. 4600 divided by 115, 115, and this will get cancelled. How many times? 40 times. Checked. Okay, so the required pieces that she get is equal to 40 pieces. Okay, this is your answer. I hope you will understand. Now friends, and you can solve the questions very easy. Question number 15, 16, these are similar questions. Please, you can do it. Okay, these are your homeworks from question number 8 to 17. Exercise 3rd, and we have already aware this exercise because this is the only revision. I hope you will understand. Have a nice day.